Hey there! Good morning, 109 Minions. I'm so happy you're back to do more learning with me today. We'll start with our morning meeting. Let's start by singing a song. Let's sing Friends in Our Class. Ready? Friends in our class. 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 There's Alexia, Mariana, Aubriana, and Junalise, Sebastian, and Arya, Emily, and Sophia, friends in our class. 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 There's Kimberly, Valentina, Anderson, and Kennedy, Draven, and Anthony, Isabel, and Annis, friends in our class. 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 There's Cassandra and Brayden, Natalie and Marky, Miss Minion and Miss Dina, Miss Ma and YouTube, friends in our class. 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 All right, for our share today, I can tell you about all the yummy food I've been cooking because I've been home a lot and I've had a lot of extra time. Yesterday I made quesadillas and I used cauliflower and ground beef and I mixed them together to make a really, really yummy, spicy filling for my quesadilla. And I've also made tortellinis and Mediterranean salad bowls with like a spicy dressing. I like spicy foods. Hope you've been eating yummy things at home and maybe you've been cooking with your mom or your dad or your grandma or your grandpa, your brother or sister. Someone's been teaching you something new. Let's move on to our poem. We're going to do Ba Ba Black Sheep. Ready? Sing it with me. Ba Ba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Awesome. Let's look at some of our sight words in here. We have you, we have the, we have and, we have for. So many sight words that can make it easier to learn it and to read it. Let's do our message. You can read it with me. Today is Tuesday, March 24th, 2020. Dear Room 109 Minions, good morning. Did you do all your homework yesterday? Ooh, I need a question mark there, not a period. Let's change that. Let's practice some special blends. The special blends we're going to do are ones that have 2 letters that actually make a different sound when they're together. These special blends are called digraphs. You don't need to know that though. You can just call them special blends. When you put an S and an H together, they make the sound shh. Ready? Make it with me. Shh. Like a sheep. When you put a T and an H together, they make the sounds. Look at my mouth. Gotta stick my tongue out for that one. Like in the word the or there. And when you put a C and an H together, it makes the sound ch, ch, ch. It's different than shh. It's harder. Ready? Ch, ch, ch. Like a chair or cheese. Okay, let's look at all of them. Ready? Make the sounds with me. Shh. Ch, 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 ch. Love, Miss Minion. And before we end our morning meeting, let's go over our sight words. What's this word? That's right, it's run. What's this word? That's right, it's sat. What's this word? That's right, it's then. What's this word? That's right, say. What's this one? That's right, here. Let's spell them. R-U-N spells run, run, run. S-A-T spells sat, sat, sat. T-H-E-N spells then, then, then. S-A-Y spells say, say, say. H-E-R-E spells here, here, here. Pause the video now and make our sight words using magnetic letters and write them on the whiteboard. Pausa el video ahora y crea nuestras palabras de uso visual con letras magnéticas y escríbalas en el whiteboard. Hi there, readers! Today for our Reader's Workshop, we're going to be working in our Reader's Journal again. You will need a pencil, your crayons, your Reader's Notebook, a Reader's Journal. You might want your letter chart from inside your green folder, and your sentence frames from inside your yellow folder. You'll also want to pick out a book that you want to write about. We're going to be writing about characters today. So pick a book where there's a character that you like, fiction or nonfiction. Let's get started. Today in our Reader's Notebook, we're going to be writing about a character that we like. I'm going to write about Cookie in Cookie's Week. I like Cookie because I think he's so funny. Let me get out my Reader's Notebook. I'm going to turn past the page I did yesterday to the next page. There's a lot of pages in here, so we don't have to worry about using the back. The very first thing I want to do is write the title. Okay, I know the title is Cookie's Week, so I'm going to look for a word that starts with k-k-k. K-k. I bet you that's cookies. It starts with a k-k-k and ends with a s. Cookies. Let me see if I can find the word week. Week. Starts with a w, ends with a k-k-k. I bet that's Cookie's Week. Let me write that title. I can copy it just looking at the letters. C-O-O-K-I-E apostrophe, that's that little thing up there. Cookies Week. Say, good job, Miss Minion. You wrote the title. Now I need to write the author. I see two names down here. And it doesn't say author. I don't see the word illustrated. I don't see words or pictures. I just see two names. I bet you they wrote it together. I'm going to copy both names. Just looking at the letters, you can use your finger to help you. W-A-R-D. T-O-M-I-E. D-E-P-A-O-L-A. Sometimes if you say the letters out loud, it can help you remember what you're writing. Say, good job, Miss Minion. You wrote the authors. Now I'm going to draw a picture. I think Cookie is really funny. Actually, maybe before I draw my pictures, I can start with the words. This way I can make sure my words and my pictures match. Let me get out my sentence frames. Today we're going to be writing about our favorite character. So we're going to use this sentence frame all the way at the bottom. My favorite character is because. Let me start by copying some of those words. So I can start by copying the word my. Do I start over here? No. Do I start down here? No. We start in the top left. M, uppercase M, because it's the first word of my sentence. M-Y, nice and neat, 2-finger space. I'm going to copy the letters in favorite. F, A, V, O, R, I, T, E. Now I'm going to copy the letters in character. 2-finger space. C, H, looking closely. A, R, A, C, T, E, R. My favorite character is, I can copy is, or I can just know it because it's a sight word. I-S spells is. Notice, I didn't go down to this line. I went right to the next line and I started on the left. Okay, my favorite character is Cookie. I could listen to the sounds in cookie, or I already found it on the cover, so I could copy it just the way that it's spelled on the cover. Now, Cookie is a name, so I'm going to use an uppercase O. Sorry, an uppercase C. C-O, copying it right from here. C-O-O, K-I-E. I don't want cookies. I just want cookie, so no S. My favorite character is Cookie because, there's that word because right there in my sentence frame. Let me copy it. 2-finger space, B, looking at each letter. E, C, A, U, S, E. My favorite character is Cookie because. Why is Cookie my favorite character? He's my favorite character because he makes a big mess in the house and it's funny. I'm going to write my favorite character is Cookie because he makes a big mess. Because I know he, it's a sight word. H-E spells he. My favorite character is Cookie because he makes. Okay, I need to write the word makes. Gonna listen to the sounds. I can use my chart to help me. 2-finger space, M, may, A, that's the long A sound. Make. K, makes. I hear an S like socks. Because he makes A. That's a sight word. A spells A. Now I want to listen to big. My favorite character is Cookie because he makes a big, I don't have enough space there, so I'm going to go down to the next line. Remember, we start on the left. Big. What sound do I hear first? big, like a bear. A big goat. He makes a big. Okay, what was my last word? My favorite character is Cookie because he makes a big mess. Okay, 2 finger space. What's the first sound I hear in mess? That's right, it's M like a mouse. Oh, egg, mess. I hear an S like socks. My favorite character is Cookie because he makes a big mess and a period at the end. Now I have to draw a picture to go with my sentence. I'm going to draw a picture of Cookie knocking things over in the house, maybe like this trash can. And I'm actually going to split it up into 3 parts, just like we did at school. This way I can show different scenes, different pages of Cookie doing different things. I'm going to draw Cookie with the trash can. I'm going to draw Cookie in the drawer. And I'm going to draw Cookie with the curtains. Yay! Say good job, Miss Minion. You wrote the title. You wrote the authors. You drew a picture. You wrote a sentence. Now it's your turn. Pick a book that you like. I want you to write about the favorite character. You should use my favorite character is because it's right there at the bottom. Make sure you draw a picture and you listen to the sounds and words. When you're done, send me a picture. I would love to show it on our Class Dojo page. Pause now to do your reading homework. Pausa ahora para hacer tu tarea de lectura. Today's reading homework is La tarea de lectura de hoy es. Pick a book you like and write about it in your reader's notebook. Don't forget to use the sentence starter. My favorite character is because. Elige un libro que te guste y escribe sobre él en el cuaderno de tu lector. No olvides usar el iniciador de oraciones. My favorite character is because. And do your writing center tracing. You should do your name and your letters. Y rastrea tu centro de escritura. Debes hacer tu nombre y tus letras. Today for Writer's Workshop, we're going to be working on the last page of our nonfiction writing book. Yesterday, when we did reading, we looked at the garage. And I taught you that readers can use the picture to figure out the words. Today I want to show you that if you're doing some writing, some nonfiction writing, that you can actually use your picture to give your reader a hint, a clue at what the words are going to say. This means that your picture and your words have to match. They have to go together. Let's start by reading my book, The Red Bus by Miss Minion. The bus is red. Bus, windows, wheels. The bus is made of metal and glass. Metal, glass. All right. On this one, I'm going to write about the wheels. I'm going to say that my bus has 4 wheels. Let me start by writing that. The bus has 4 wheels. I'll start with the. I know that's a sight word. T-H-E spells the. Now I need to listen for the sounds in bus. Ready? 2 finger space. B. U like an umbrella. Bus. S sucks. The bus has. Okay, 2 finger space. H like hat. Has. Apple. Has. Oh, I hear a Z, like a zebra. The bus has 4. I can write the number 4. Just like that. Has 4 wheels. Oh, I hear a long E. Wheel. I hear an L like leaf. Wheels. I hear an S like socks. Let me read it. The bus has 4 wheels. And at the end of my sentence, I need a period. Okay. Should I draw a picture of the bus from the side like this, where you can only see 2 wheels? Probably not. I want my picture to match my words exactly. This way my reader, the person reading my book, because we're making real books, the person reading my book will know what the words say. It'll give them a clue, a hint. So maybe I'm going to draw my bus from underneath, where you can see all 4 wheels. So let's see, I'm going to draw my bus like this. I'm going to draw the bus. Right, I drew a picture. What does it still need? You need glitter? Or a picture of a shark? Or flowers? Or rainbows? Or shooting stars? No, silly Miss Minion. It doesn't need that. It needs labels. I can label the wheels. Window. Eagle. Wheel. Socks. I can label the wheels. I can label the bottom. It's probably important that they know that this is the bottom. So I'm going to write bottom. Bear. Octopus. Turtle. bottom, I hear it, mouse. All right, now I'm all done. I have a picture, labels, and a sentence. Your turn. Today, I want you to look at your object and finish your last page. It should have a true fact statement, a picture, and labels. Be extra careful and pay extra close attention. Make sure your picture shows what's in your words. This way your reader can learn more. Catch you next time at Writer's Workshop. Bye-bye, adios, hasta luego, out the door, dinosaur. See you later, alligator. Bye-bye, butterfly. Pause now to do your writing homework. Pausa ahora para hacer tu tarea de escritura. Write a true fact sentence on the last page and draw a picture with labels. Make sure your picture and words match. Escriba una oración de hechos verdaderos en la última página y haz un dibujo con etiquetas. Asegúrese de que su imagen y palabras coincidan. Hey there, young mathematicians! I am back after a quick pizza break, ready to talk about comparing. We've been thinking about comparing two groups of numbers to find the difference. That means how many more, how many less. Today, we are going to use our third strategy to find the difference. This strategy is called count and record. We practiced it last week. Today I'm going to show you how we can use it to find the difference. Follow me. We're going to use count and record to find the difference. Let's start by playing count and record. Ready? Count with me. We're going to count the cubes first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Notice that I moved them when I counted. This makes sure that I get all of them and I don't count any twice. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 cubes. I can write C for cubes. Now let's count the marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 marbles. Now we need to compare the numbers. Which one is more? That's right, 7 is more than 5. We know because 7 comes after 5 when we count. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is more. It also comes after 5 on the number line. There's 5. There is 7. This number line is on page 2 of the reference part of your math workbook. Let's compare to find the difference. How many more is 7 than 5? We can use a strategy I like to call counting up. Ready? Let's start at 5. How many more is 7? 5, 6, 7. Oh, there's 2 more. 7 is 2 more than 5. Ready? Let me show you again. We start at 5. The next number is 6. That's 1 more. 7 is 2 more. It looks like that on our number line. Look. If I start at 5, and I go 2 more jumps, 1, 2, I get to 7. 1, 2. See? 7 is 2 more than 5. If you want, you can double check it by lining it up. Look. There are 2 more cubes than marbles. 7 is 2 more than 5. Are you ready to try one on your own? I'm going to move them. I want you to count and write it on your whiteboard. Pause the video and get your whiteboard now if you need it. Ready? Did you count? Let's double check. How many cubes are there? That's right. There are 4 cubes. Now let's count the marbles. I'm going to move them. You want to count. Did you count? Let's double check. How many marbles? That's right. There are 5 marbles. Which one has more? That's right. The marbles have more. How do you know? Yes, 5 is more than 4. That's because 5 comes after 4 when you count, and 5 comes after 4 on a number line. Look. There's 4. There's 5. How many more is 5 than 4? What is the difference? That's right. 5 is 1 more than 4. How did you know? Did you count? Did you use a number line? You might know because you counted. Maybe you counted out loud and used your fingers in the strategy I call counting up. Let's see. Let's say the number 4. Let's count there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1 more makes 5. Ready? 4, 5, 1 more. You can also look at the number line. Here is 4. Here is 5. 5 is 1 more jump away from 4. We'll be doing some more work on this when we get to addition and subtraction. But you can try playing this today. Use a grown-up or an older brother or sister to help you make the problems. Grown-ups, try to make the difference 3, 2, or 1, or 0. Make them the same. Try not to do a difference of more than 3 until your student has mastered differences of 3, 2, and 1. Have fun playing! Pause now to do your math homework. Pausa ahora para hacer tu tarea de matemáticas. Play, count, and record to figure out how many more and how many less. Find the difference. You can use counting up or a number line. Have a family member make 2 piles, one of cubes and one of marbles, to play just like I did. Adults, please make differences of only 0, 1, 2, or 3 to start. El recuento de juegos y el registro calculó cuántos más y cuántos menos. Encuentra la diferencia. Haga que un miembro de la familia haga 2 pilas, una de cubos y 8 de canicas, para jugar como lo hice yo. Adultos, haga diferencias de solo 0, 1, 2 o 3 para comenzar. All right, today we're going to be working on R's and I's. Let's start with the uppercase R. Uppercase R starts up at the skyline. You pull down, back up, around, slant down. Notice that my uppercase R comes in right there at that middle dotted line before it comes back out. One more time. Pull down, back up, around, in, slant down. You start at the top and it should stay right in between the skyline and the ground line with your coming in happening right here at the dotted line. Down, back up, around, slant out. Notice how I'm staying in between the skyline and the ground line. When I come in to touch my line, it's right there at the middle line before I slant out. Lowercase r starts at the middle dotted line. You pull down, back up almost to the line, and curve over. Again, pull down, almost up to the middle line, and curve over. I'm staying right in between the middle dotted line and the ground line. I go down, I come back up, but not all the way, because I have to do my little bump out. Let's do uppercase I. You start at the top skyline, you pull down, pick up your pencil, across. One across is right up there at the skyline and one is down at the ground line. Again, start at the top, pull down, across. Sometimes you'll see an uppercase I just written like that, without the across. But I don't want you to confuse it with a lowercase l. So we're going to write ours like this for K2. When you're a grown-up, you can decide how you want to write them. I like Isabel. But not least, we're going to work on our lowercase i's. This one's lots of fun. You start at the middle line. You pull down, pick it up, dot. Again, pull down, dot. Pull down, dot. Pull down, dot. Nice and fun. You can make your dots a little bigger if you like it like that. That's good too. Your turn. Look at my dot. It's right in between the dotted line and the top line. Should it be down here? No. Should it be all the way up here? No. Right in the middle. Silly Miss Minion. Make sure you do R and I in your handwriting book. Has R, R-A-E, E, and tu libro de escritura. forget to give yourself a sticker for finishing today's lesson. Today is the 24th.